In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from QuickBooks to Excel. Now, this is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all your financial information neatly organized. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. If you regularly use QuickBooks, it might pop up as a suggestion as soon as you start typing. Once there, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Be sure to have your login credentials at the ready. Enter your username and password, then go ahead and hit Login. You'll be directed to the QuickBooks homepage where all the magic happens. The next thing you want to do is look for the Settings gear icon. You could usually find this at the upper right corner of your screen. It's a small gear icon that, when clicked, provides you with a drop-down menu of different options. This is where you configure various aspects of QuickBooks, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it if you're not already. Once you see it, click on it, and a menu will appear before your eyes. From this menu, your next action is to click on Export Data. This option is essential as it allows you to move your QuickBooks data into another format, namely Excel. Why might you want to do this? Well, once in Excel, your data becomes even more versatile. You can run additional analyses, create reports, and share it with your team easily. It's a powerful way to extend the functionality of your data. After clicking on the Export Data option, it's time to move forward to exporting to Excel. You'll be directed to the Export Data page. Here, you will see a few different options, but for now, focus on finding the Export to Excel button. Clicking on this will initiate the transfer of your data into an Excel spreadsheet. Once you click on that, QuickBooks starts preparing your data for export. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the export process. Simply follow the instructions it gives. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your dataset, this might take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks into an Excel spreadsheet. Whether it's for further analysis, creating charts or graphs, or simply for archival purposes, having your data in Excel can be incredibly useful. And remember, you can repeat this process whenever you need updated data. Hopefully, this has helped you get a grasp on exporting data from QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me today and happy data exporting.